And Stanley in Georgia says, my wife and I just purchased a home in June. We put down 20% and now we're getting bombarded with companies wanting to sell us mortgage insurance. I know I'm not obligated to purchase it, but will it benefit me to have it?
So in the industry, it's known as croak and choke insurance, or just croak. And mortgage life insurance is one of the worst rip-off products that the banks have dreamt up. So what they do is they try to get you to buy a life insurance policy that names the bank as the beneficiary that has your mortgage. The premiums are roughly 10 times market priced premiums. So normally with life insurance, and it is like a form of term insurance that you hear me talk about, normally with life insurance, you name your survivors that you want to be taken care of as the beneficiary. And at the time of your passing, you may or may not, your survivor may or may not find that it's a good idea to pay off the mortgage. There may be other priorities. With the mortgage life insurance, all it does is it helps the mortgage company directly and your survivors indirectly by paying off the mortgage, but removes the flexibility. And remember, at 10 times the premium. As long as you can medically underwrite for your own term life insurance policy, and I have an explanation of how you shop for and how you buy what's known as level term insurance on Clark.com, you buy your own policy to provide for the needs of your survivors. You don't buy insurance that's just for a narrow individual purpose like a mortgage life insurance policy. What would be the exception to that? If you cannot medically underwrite to own your own policy, and you can buy a mortgage life insurance policy without being medically underwritten, that all people who apply are just approved, and the person who will inherit the house will benefit from having no mortgage based on your overall financial situation. That's a lot of ifs, and ifs. And so essentially, mortgage life insurance is not a scam, but it is a ripoff.